Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, I'm here to do another unboxing video, and for this video, I'm gonna unbox two rare plants that I had on my wish list. Well, I'm not really sure how rare they are now, but certainly it's something that I've been eyeing for a while. It was quite expensive, I think sometime last year, but they have gone a little bit more cheaper now. So I've got that box right here in front of me, and I've just put some white label on top of my address because that's confidential. So here we go. All right, I'm just gonna open it up just gently. And you know, each seller packs their plants differently, so I'm not sure what to expect with this one. I hope that it's packed well. All right, so here it is. Okay, there's two of them here actually. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, boom. Oh, that's new. All right, let's have a look at what's in there. I'll show you guys. I'm always so excited when I'm unwrapping something. Oh, but this is so amazing how they've packed this. So they've actually packed it like that. So one of them is a Cebu blue pothos, and then the other one is a Philodendron golden dragon. Okay, so hopefully the leaves aren't too compact because of how this is packed. I usually don't pack it like this. It's quite new, so let's see. I almost pack like this, but not quite. Man, that's a lot of tape. Now, fun fact, this had been traveling through the mail probably just 3 days. Okay, so that's not bad. All right. Oh man, okay, the other side. They don't really make it easy for you, huh? Here we go, finally I've taken off a lot of the tape, and there is the plant. Okay, I'm guessing that if I just pull it right out, it's gonna show me the plant. Ooh, wow. I can't see it face to face yet, but I'm looking at it from the camera, and that is looking quite nice. It's a shame because this one's a new unfurling one, and it's quite damaged already. And I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so you'll be able to see there that it's quite damaged. Now, by the looks of it, this head, oh, this looks like it's been attacked by pests like leaf miners. Oh, that's a bit disappointing, to be honest. Anyway, nevertheless, it's still a nice plant. I am going to quarantine this and also treat it for pests, just because it's not looking the healthiest. Anyway, a bit disappointed from the seller actually, because it's not good. So that's not good. And then the other one that I've got here is a Cebu blue pothos, so I'm just gonna unpack it for a second and show you guys. All right, now even if this particular plant here would look good, I am going to also quarantine that because I'm not fully convinced that it's gonna be pest free as well. Because if this one has got this damage, oh, I don't know what to expect with this one. Hopefully it'll be okay. All right, Cebu blue pothos. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nope, it's not gonna budge, so I have to cut more of the tapes here. All right, so here we go. I don't know if this is the safest way to do it. All right, let's go. Oh, yay. Whew. Oh, sorry. Before I ruin this. So this one's actually good. Okay, so this one's got some really nice, appropriate blue hues there. Okay, if you guys can see clearly on the camera. And the leaves are 95% healthy. Actually, most of it, I think. One of the leaves that was coming off was damaged though, because of how I was unpacking it, but that's okay. That'll recover. Now this one I'm quite satisfied with. Okay, so this one is looking quite healthy and nice. Wow. Look, one of its leaves actually has fenestrations already. There you go. So that one's at least a win for me. Other one, I don't know, not so much. So we'll see how things go. I'll have to quarantine both of these and treat it for pests anyway. All right, that's it, guys. I hope that you guys have liked that video. If you do, then please give me that thumbs up. If you want to see me make more plant videos such as this, then please feel free to subscribe as well. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.